If you're ready to finally create your own blog post in WordPress but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft, optimize, and publish your first post, even if you've never touched WordPress before. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to create a new post. So log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your behind-the-scenes control panel, kind of like the cockpit of an airplane. Everything happens here. Look over to the menu on the left, find Posts, and click on Add New. That brings up a fresh blank post. Now at the very top, you'll see that Add Title field. This is where you want to be both clear and creative. Think of your title as a headline in a newspaper. Make it compelling, so people feel encouraged to keep reading. It should give readers a quick idea of what your post is about while sparking their curiosity. Next, let's talk about adding your content using the WordPress block editor. This editor works a little differently than Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Picture it like building with Lego. You have separate blocks for paragraphs, images, headings, lists, and more. To add your text, just click into the main content area and start typing out your first paragraph. For new sections, headings are your friend. Click the ++ icon, the block inserter, and choose Heading. Structured headings help readers and search engines understand the flow of your article. Want to break things up visually or add context? Use that same plus icon to bring in images, either by uploading from your computer or choosing something already in your media library. Don't forget to fill in the alternative text. This is crucial for readers who use screen readers, and it gives search engines more information about your post's visuals. If you're presenting step-by-step tips or supplies, bullet points or numbered lists are a great choice. They help make info easy to scan so your audience doesn't get lost in a wall of text. You can also add extra flair by embedding YouTube videos or other media. Just paste the URL into a video block and WordPress does the rest. As you add each block, select it and look for the toolbar that pops up above. This lets you format text, like making words bold or italicized, or adjusting the alignment so everything looks polished. Now let's move over to the post settings on the right. These options are like the behind-the-scenes magic that makes your post more discoverable. Under categories and tags, choose labels that match your topic. If your post is about travel tips, for example, travel might be your category and packing, budget, and Europe could be tags. This keeps your content organized for both readers and search engines. Adding a featured image is almost always a good idea. Think of it as the face of your post. It's what shows up next to the title on your blog, and often when your article is shared on social media. Write a brief, catchy excerpt as well. If you skip this, WordPress will just show the first few sentences, which might not be as attention-grabbing. And take a peek at your permalink or URL slug, the address for your post. Sometimes the automatically generated link is long. Feel free to edit it down so it's clean and SEO-friendly. If you're using an SEO plugin like Yoast or Jetpack, you'll see even more options in this area to fine-tune how your post appears in search engines. It's worth spending a couple of minutes here to boost your post's chances of getting found. Before you hit publish, take a moment to preview your post. Click the preview button to see how your article will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Don't rush this step, give it a careful read, check how the images appear, and fix any typos or awkward sections. WordPress usually auto-saves your draft, but you can always hit Save Draft to be sure. Now for the moment of truth. When you're happy with everything, click Publish. You'll have the option to publish right away, or you can schedule it for a future date and time if you want to plan ahead. Finally, visit your blog's homepage and double-check that your new post appears just the way you want. Sometimes a quick look will reveal an image that needs tweaking or a formatting fix, and that's it. You've just created, optimized, and published a WordPress blog post from scratch. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. Leave me a comment with your questions or your very first blog post link, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your blogging journey.